So the Sustainability Masterminds are 2-hour sessions that happen once a month where there is group coaching with other organizations that are not your competitors. And we take a value chain approach, which means that we are journey mapping everything that happens in your organization, whether you're a product-based business or a service-based business. So what happens in these sessions is that we break down your value chain and we apply a what-if scenario and identify opportunities and challenges. Now, from those are decisions that have to be made, which are broken down into micro, meso, and macro decisions. And after that decision-making process, we'll create a work plan for you and your team to start executing over the next 30 days before our next session. During that 30-day period, you have access to me and my team to help you with any burning questions or challenges that you're going to be facing throughout that execution period. The question is then, when does this end? The minimum period that we see any change is 3 months. For lasting change, it's anywhere from 6 months to a year. And to make sure we have some closure at the end of 3 months, we're going to report back and do a debrief on the entire process as a whole and see how that served you in your sustainability journey. This program is available now for only $100 per session until the end of August. So if you're interested in the program, fill out the sign-up form or message us on any of the links below.